And what it is the capacitor right here. What I did, I traced this yellow wire on the capacitor. Actually, I came over here to the motor because my thought was something's wrong with the motor. The motor's only going one way. Why doesn't the motor not go the other way, the opposite direction? I thought it was a polarity thing, so I chased down the wires to the back of the washer. I did find this yellow one coming across, going up, coming down. Did not go up to the top of the washer. It actually came over here to the capacitor. So swapping out the capacitor, what I found out that it actually does change it to polarity, the polarity of the motor. So it will go agitate back and forth, one direction and the other. So let me swap it out and I'll show you what I mean. So here we are underneath the washer. This is your wheel, this is your motor of course still, and it was once going only one way. Now what you want this thing to do to agitate properly is rock back and forth. You want this motor to rock back and forth, or this transmission itself. So I actually took this 5/16 screw, I dropped the capacitor down, and now we're going to test to see if it works. I got it in test mode and it's about to start the agitation. Let's see if this works. Yep. As you can see, it's rocking back and forth. Now keep your fingers clear, and I don't ever suggest you even be down here when you're having it plugged in, but all safety precautions taken. Please don't hurt yourself, but yes, agitation both ways now with a new capacitor. That is going to be our repair, and I'll show you the ending results here once again. Okay, we're on the top side now. What I like to do is watch the agitation and the spin cycle, so I will take an extra striker that I have and put it down in the lid lock like that. I don't suggest you guys doing this as a permanent basis just for testing. Put your striker down your lid lock, and then we'll put this thing in test mode and check out the agitation now. The way I do test mode on these, I will go around 4 times. I will actually use 12 o'clock as my center point with the dial indicator. So I'll go down 1, go around 2, 3, 4, stop, go to the left 1 time, the right 3 times, left 1 time, and right 1 time. And didn't work. Let me go clear it out 1 more time. Go around 4 times. Oops. There we go. You got to go a little slower. Maybe count 1 Mississippi in between each click. Make it go better. And I go right 2 times till it says spin only. And I will hit the start. And now you can open it up and look at it because you have your striker there. And what it does at first, it goes through the water inlet fill ups. It'll go through your hot, your cold, and your warm if you had that selection. That takes about 15-20 seconds, and then you'll hear the actuator on the bottom, the shift actuator, kick in the transmission, and at that point it'll start the agitation. So you just got to be patient with this part. Okay, speed up this process a little bit. Shift actuator clicks on the bottom, moves the transmission into agitation mode. There we go. So shifting back and forth. And to do it properly, go ahead and let the washer go through its full diagnostic mode cycle. That allows it to clear everything out, any kind of errors it may have, any kind of issues it has, especially when you change any parts on these washers that have programming. You want to go ahead and reset programming and go through diagnostic mode and let it run its whole course, make sure everything's finishing properly. This one is going to go all the way back through. It'll be fine, because it was fine before I started this. So I hope this helped you guys out. If it didn't fix your problem, I apologize, but it fixed this problem. I want to start on the other 2 and see if it fixes the other Maytag Centennials as well. Appreciate you watching my video. Give me a like if you like it. Thanks.